The concepts that we're going to work with are very similar to empty set. And what does empty set do? Empty set just uses big thudding sine waves. And I like to do that with Punchbox. What we want is something that gives a bit of a rhythm, so that this other thing we can now put into feedback. In following empty set's approach, this other thing is just noise. We've just got an operator, the simplest synthesizer I've got, with white noise instead of sine waves, and a bandpass filter on there. So it's just doing this every 16th note. Let's make a little hole in the pattern. And it's got a little LFO now on the decay parameter so that it moves a bit. We've got an element that moves. Now let's start setting up our return channels. Our first return channel is just going to be hall reverb. Our second one is going to be delay. I'm going to put some kind of a hall reverb. And then let's put some delay on here as well. 100% wet, quite high feedback at some random tempo. This is fine because these are just the thing that we're going to be using afterwards to sweeten the deal. Because what we're really looking for is insert return channel, feedback. This is where it gets gnarly. You see here, the sends can also be sent to other sends or to themselves. And this is the magic. And so if I feed C back to C, whatever comes out of C goes back into C. You can imagine that that can get pretty crazy pretty quickly. We're going to put this noise into the feedback loop and just crank it. And we're not even going to put anything else in the signal chain just yet. Later, we're going to start trying all sorts of things in this, but not yet. First, we're just going to make some sound. Yeah. Okay, cool. You see it showing up here? This is working now, right? So now let's feed C back to C. There we go. See what's happening here? And right now, honestly, the sound doesn't get too crazy. I'm just gonna start messing around playfully with putting anything in the signal chain. Literally anything. Every single audio effect is going to create something chaotic to this, and that's what we want. So let's sweeten it a little bit by giving it some reverb and some delay. It's a good start. So let's put in any other sound effect, maybe some ring modulation. You see, the cool thing is that you hit that moment when it kind of gets gnarly, and then that goes into the long delay, and so that knocks on over time.